How to buy Netflix subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Netflix subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy Netflix subscription, I'd recommend you open your browser instead of the app. So just go to netflix.com and log into your account, or you can go to netflix.com/account. Now this is assuming you have already created a Netflix account and then you want to directly pay now, right? So I'm not going to walk through the steps of creating it. After you create account, how do you add a plan to it? So after you create account, go to the link in the description. You'll come here, then under plan details you can see add streaming plan, so you can tap on add streaming plan option here. Then all you have to do is tap the next option. Just make sure to review your card details, your payment, and the plan that you would like to use, and once you've done that, you'll be able to buy Netflix subscription. This way you can buy Netflix subscription. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.